Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into Notebook LM. What if you could upload notes, textbooks, and website link and let the AI do the thinking? Yes, you are right. Notebook LM helps you achieve this and help you learn more easily. Before further delay, let's get into the system and look into how you can practically achieve this. So today we are going to deep dive into Notebook LM. So before opening the Notebook LM, first log into your Google account, and after login, go to the list of apps and select Notebook LM. So when you launch for the first time, you may not see all this except for you may see the featured notebooks only. So my notebooks will list all the notebooks that you have created. So for today, let's create one new notebook. So in this dialog, you can see it's asking to upload the sources. So here we'll upload all the informations that we want to analyze. So first we'll take few website links, and then the next we'll use some documents like a PDF or a Word doc. So to upload the links, you can click on this website link option here. I will copy some links. So for today, I'm using few training links, learn.microsoft.com material, and we'll try to analyze this. So I've taken 3 pages from the Microsoft Learn, and we'll insert this. So as soon as you insert, add the sources. As a first step, it will summarize and give you a summary. But this is not may not be enough. So we can further drill down and ask further questions from this sources. Few documents that it is already few questions that it already suggests, like how does Microsoft Dynamics define fundamental components. This is I'm just using as an example, but you can type any questions from over here and ask from the sources. The cool feature that it has, other than this, is that it has some built-in tools which will help you generate audio review. It generates an audio based on on the format of a podcast. It also generates video overview. You can create mind map, like for example, for this one, like I've clicked on the mind map and I will show you how it looks like. So it generated the mind map from the 3 website links that I have provided. So this can be a handy tool if required. You can use this one. Also, there are options to create reports, flashcards, quiz, and so on. Also, you can create slide decks. So the podcast may take some time to generate. So I've clicked it, but before instead of showing this one, because it will take few more minutes, because it's a resource intensive, so it may take some time. So I will show you one of the earlier example which I have generated from. It's also a learning documents. So here I have generated few podcast overview, audio overview. So let me play this one.
Specifically for that one project.
And that project file analogy leads us right to what has to be the system's most revolutionary feature. Because when an agent has, say, 4 of those project files open at once, the absolute nightmare scenario is losing your unsaved work when you switch.
That's it.
So I hope you can hear the audio. So it's a podcast generated from the sample website link that I have provided. So this will help you understand the documents, resources, and analyze the complex requirements easily. So for the case management, I've In this one, it is generating it. It may take some time. So before looking into uh, waiting for this one, we can see how it looks like if you create on flashcards. It may be quick. I can also, by the time it is generating the flashcards, you can let me upload a PDF document. I will drag and drop one sample document which I have downloaded from the website. It's related to stock market. Ideally, you should, if you're researching on different topics, you should create a different notebook. For this demo, I have added in the same notebook. Uncheck this and so that it can generate using this one. So the flashcard I had generated using the website. So it will show you some sample. Let me see. So similarly, you can use this to generate the quiz and so on. So for the PDF, it has uploaded it. Let me ask a question from this PDF. Also, I can generate a separate mind map for this document. Since I've selected this PDF document and clicked on the mind map, it will generate the mind map for this one. The audio overview, it is still running in the background, so it is I think a little slow. By the time it is generating the mind map, I think it also has given the result for my question. Similarly, you can ask any other questions based on this document. It will reply, and fairly the answer will be more accurate because we have limited the sources. This is the mind map from that PDF document. So basically, you can have multiple mind maps, whatever you want, whichever source you selected, it will create uh, from those source only. So like here we had three website link and one PDF, but I have selected only PDF and then clicked on the mind map. So it has generated a mind map for this one. So similarly, I can generate mind map for separate documents separately, or I can have a summary of all. Depending on your requirement, you can use accordingly. So the key advantage of using Notebook LM is that you have a direct control over the sources. It will reduce the hallucinations since sources are uploaded by the user. So there is a less risk of AI generating an incorrect information. Also, the information that we provide is not exposed to the uh, exposed for training models. So you can be sure as per Google documentation, it is not used. So I will show you shortly where it is mentioned. The other key benefits which I've already mentioned is that it can create a podcast style audio overview of the from the sources provided. So it will help you understand a complex logic more easily. Also, you can trust the answers. Uh, it is more reliable because we have provided a limited source of information and the answers is from those only. So you can trust that the answers will be fairly correct. So if you go to the support Notebook LM support site, you will get the information on detailed information how to use it. And you can also get the FAQ. So in that support documentation, you will find uh, this information that your data is protected and is not used to train the LM. provided you don't provide your feedback. Also, if you're using using Google Workspace, then even if you provide the feedback, no, it is not data is not used to train the model. So you can fairly be secure, safe. Your information is safe and not exposed to the models for training. So the most common or the most readily used case for this in your day-to-day activities is that you can use it to create and summarize the requirement. And if you are using it, if you are a tester or if you are into testing, you can use this to create test scenarios, test points, and understand the complex requirement easily. You can even create mind map and audio summary. If you are into research or in other thing, you can use it as an assistant, research assistant, by providing a website links to look for. So if you're comparing multiple tools, you can give links for those multiple tools and get an analysis and comparison and summary information for different tools that you are doing uh, analyzing. You can also generate to-do list. So there are multiple benefits on using this tool into your day-to-day activities. If you have any questions or queries, you can write it in the comments. Hopefully this will help you in your day-to-day activity. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.